manners definition. Species are a group of interbreeding natural populations that are reproductively from other subgroups. It's a closely related organisms that are very similar and capable of producing fertile offspring.
The productive isolating mechanism. The mechanism of reproductive isolation are a collection of evolutionary mechanisms, behaviors, and physiological processes critical for speciation that prevent members of different species from producing offspring or ensure that any offspring are sterile. These berries maintain the integrity of a species by reducing gene flow between related species.
Prezygotic isolation mechanism prevent fertilization and zygote formation. Happens before fertilization occurs between gametes.
Geographic or ecological or habitat isolation occurs when two species that could interbreed do not because the species live in different areas. The two species live in different habitats and will not encounter one another. Each is isolated from the other species.
Temporal or seasonal isolation. Different groups may not be reproductive mature. For example, two populations of plants may produce flowers in different seasons, making mating between the population impossible.
Behavioral isolation. Patterns of courtship is different. Occurs when two populations that are capable of interbreeding development differences in courtship, rituals, and other behaviors.
Mechanical isolation. Physical incompatibility between reproductive organs of two organisms. Mechanical isolation occurs when mating is physically impossible.
Geometric isolation. Incompatibilities between egg and sperm provide fertilization. Often this occurs because the female immune system recognizes sperm as foreign and attacks it.
False zygotic isolation mechanism allows fertilizations but non-viable or weak or sterile hybrids are formed. In these cases, the zygote formed is called a hybrid. However, even after the hybrid zygote form, reproductions may still not be successful.
Fertilized egg fails to develop past the early embryonic stages. For example, when tigers and leopards are crossed, the zygote begins to develop, but the pregnancy ends in miscarriage.
Hybrids are sterile because gonads develop abnormally or there is abnormal segregation of chromosomes during meiosis. A horse and a donkey has produced a hybrid of offspring. Mules are sterile.
Hybrid breakdown. F1 hybrids are normal, vigorous, and viable, but F2 contains many weak or sterile individuals. Post-zygotic mechanism. Hybrid breakdown. First generation hybrids are viable and fertile. Offerings of hybrids are feeble or sterile.
Speciation is the evolutionary process which the population evolves to become distinct species. It is the process which new species develop from existing species.
Allopatric speciation. Allo means other, patric means place. So allopatric speciation means other place. Allopatric speciation or geographic speciation occurs when some members of a population become geographically separated from the other members, thereby preventing gene flow. Example of geographic barriers are bodies of water and mountain ranges.
Sympatric speciation. Same, patric, place, same place. Occurs when member of population that initially occupy the same habitat within the same range diverge into two or more different species. It involves abrupt genetic change that quickly lead to the reproductive isolation of a group of individuals. Example is change in chromosome number, polyploidization.
Parapatric speciation occurs when the group that involved to be separate species are geographic neighbor. Game flow occurs but with great distances is reduced. There is also a proved change in the environment over its geographic border and strong disruptive selection must also happen.
Evolution. A change in the genetic structure of a population, also referred to the appearance of the new species.
Natural selection, the most critical mechanism of evolutionary change, first articulated by Darwin, refers to genetic change or changes in the frequencies of certain traits in population due to differential reproductive success between individuals.
Fixity of species. The notion that species once created can never change. This was believed that the earth is full and nothing now cloud be added.
Lamarck, Jean Baptiste Lamarck was the first scientist to produce an explanation for the evolutionary process. He believed that species change was influenced by environmental change.
Cuvier. George Cuvier introduced the concept of extinction of the theory of catastrophism.
Catastrophism. The view that the Earth's geological landscape is the result of violent cataclysmic events. Thomas Malthus. Thomas Malthus wrote about the relationship between food supply and population increase. His essay on the principle of population led both Darwin and Wallace to the principle of natural selection. Charles Lyell. Charles Lyell developed the theory of uniformitarianism. Uniformitarianism, the theory that the Earth's features are the result of long-term processes that continue to operate in the present as they did in the past.
Mary Anning discovered the first complete fossils of Ichthyosaur, a large fish-like marine reptile. She became known as one of the world's leading fossilists and contributed to the understanding of the evolution of marine life over 200 million years ago.
Charles Darwin. Darwin saw the importance of biological variation within the species, recognized the importance of sexual reproduction in increasing variation.
Alfred Russel Wallace suggested that species descended from the other species and the new species were influenced by the environmental factors.
These are the process of natural selection. First, species can produce offspring at a faster rate than food supplies increase. There is biological variation within all species. In each generation, more individuals are produced that can survive. Individuals that possess favorable traits or variation are more likely to survive and produce offspring. Environmental context determines whether a trait is beneficial. Traits are inherited and passed on the next generation. Variations accumulate over long periods of time, so later generations may be distinct from ancestral ones. As populations respond to pressure over time, they may become distinct species descended from a common ancestor.